Capturing leads is one of the most important parts of online business. If visitors come to your website but don't leave their contact details, you lose the future sales. This is why choosing the right form tools that matters a lot. Two popular options people often compare are the JotForm and the ActiveCampaign. Both help collect leads, but they work in different ways and suit different types of users. In this video, I will explain JotForm versus ActiveCampaign forms in very simple way so you can clearly decide which one is best for your lead capture needs. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the tools without confusion. If you like easy and honest tool comparisons, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description. When you use the link, any available special offer that will be applied automatically. Now let's move to the main part of this video and compare between ActiveCampaign and JotForm. Let's understand which one is better. So let's start with JotForm first. JotForm is a dedicated form builder. Its main job is to help you create forms easily. You can build contact forms, order forms, survey forms and registration forms without any technical skills. JotForm offers many templates so beginner can start quickly. You can drag and drop fields, add question and customize the design. JotForm is very flexible when it comes to form structure. You can collect this simple information like name, email or detailed information using multiple steps. This makes JotForm useful for business that need detailed lead data such as service providers, consultants or agencies. JotForm also allow the integrations with many platforms, so you can send lead data to email tools, CRMs or spreadsheets. Now let's talk about the ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign forms are built directly inside the ActiveCampaign email marketing and automation platform. Their main strength is not design but automation connection. When someone fills out an ActiveCampaign form, they immediately enter your email list and automation workflow. ActiveCampaign forms are best for business that focus heavily on email marketing and follow-up sequences. You can tag leads, start automation and send personalized emails instantly after form submission. This makes lead nurturing very smooth and automatic. In terms of ease of use, JotForm feels like more visual and beginner friendly for form creation. ActiveCampaign forms are simpler and more basic in design but very powerful when connected to the email automation. If your goal is just to collect leads and send them into email campaign, then ActiveCampaign forms work very well. When it comes to design and the customization, JotForm is clearly the stronger option. You can customize colors, layout and form logic easily. ActiveCampaign forms are more basic and focus less on appearance. This is important if you care a lot about form look and user experience. Another difference is the data handling. JotForm stores form responses and allow you to analyze them separately. ActiveCampaign form focus more and moving leads into email list and automations rather than detailed form data analysis. For automation, ActiveCampaign forms have strong advantage. Since they are part of the ActiveCampaign system, they trigger emails, tags and workflows instantly. JotForm can also connect to automation tools but usually needs to integration and the third-party connection sometimes. So which one is the best for lead capture? If you need flexible, beautiful and detailed forms and you use different tools for marketing, JotForm is a great choice. It is ideal for businesses that want control over form structure and data collection. If your main goal is email marketing and automated follow-up and you already use the ActiveCampaign, then ActiveCampaign forms are the better option. They may be simple in design but they are powerful for nurturing leads automatically. In simple words, JotForm is best for advanced form building and customization, while ActiveCampaign forms are best for fast lead capture connected directly to your email automation. So that's it basically. I hope now you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this comparison helped you to choose between JotForm and the ActiveCampaign forms, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. And don't forget to check the link in the description to access any available offers that will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.